Hi there viewers, and today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones onto your iPhone. This is an iPhone 4 and I'll be showing you how to get free ringtones. Basically, before you start, you want to download an app what looks like this. To get this app, you need to go to the iPhone App Store. And you want to type in Ringtones. And as you type in Ringtones, it's this one. So as you type in Ringtones, it's this one here. You just want to click on that. And you just want to install this app here. After you've done that, you want to click on the app, and you can go to their ringtones, what they've got. They've got a wide variety of ringtones. It's all free, by the way. What's this? Apple Ring. So you just click on preview if you want to preview the ringtone. I'll just turn this up. So so let's say you found one what you like. So I don't know, let's just choose a random one. Let's choose Kill Bill. Let's just get Kill Bill. I don't know what this is. No, let's not get that. Let's get Let It Snow. Let's just get that. Right, you want to click on it and you can preview it. But you want to click on download ringtone, and now you want to click on your ringtones at the bottom, and as you can see, it has been downloaded to the actual app. After you've done that, or after you've downloaded a lot of the ones what you like, all you need to do now is click off of the app, and you're going to want a laptop, and you're going to need to connect your phone to the laptop using your USB in one end and the iPhone charger end in the other. So you want to just plug it into the USB, and you get the other end and plug it into your iPhone. And now what you want to do is you want to go into iTunes on your laptop, and you want to click on your name or your iPhone here. So now I'm on my iPhone library, or whatever you want to call it, the home page on my iPhone. Now what you want to do is you want to click on apps. So you want to click on apps. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down. Oops, sorry about this. What's it doing? Stupid thing. Here you want to scroll down. Let me scroll down, you stupid thing. And at the bottom there should be some of your apps, or if you haven't got any, basically this ringtones app should be there, as you can see. You want to click on it, and as you click on it, at the side is all of them ringtones what you've downloaded on the app, should be here. So I've got Let It Snow, which is the one where I showed you how to download. So what you want to do is you want to minimize the window. Or you don't want to minimize it, you want to make it smaller. God say, what's he doing? Stupid thing. Now what you want to do is you want to drag, click on the, let's say let it snow, you want to hold it in, hold left in, you want to drag it onto your desktop and let go. So it's there, okay? Now what you want to do sorry about this, people. Now, so you've dragged it onto your desktop. Now you want to do what you want to do is now drag it and just drag it into this top one here and just let go. Now if you go onto your ringtones, so if you click on tones here, if you look down here, and as we scroll down, it's on there. So after you've done that, you've dragged it into this here, you want to go back onto your iPhone and you want to click on tones, which is at the top here, and you want to click on sync all tones. And you go down to the corner here and you want to click on sync. You just need to wait for it to sync it to your phone now, as you can see. And now it is done. Now all you need to do is look at your phone, go into settings, go onto sounds, and go onto ringtone. And if we have a look through my, sorry, if you can't see this, through my ringtones, and if you see the and that can be my ringtone, so I can save that as my ringtone. And that's it. That's how you get free ringtones. I can show you how to, in my next video, how to get free music. It's exactly the same way, but basically you're just using music instead. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. Bye.